Hello, AI enthusiasts! Welcome back to the AI Foundation Learning, where we make complex AI concepts easy to understand. Today, we're going to explore one of the most fascinating areas of machine learning: clustering algorithms. This video will help you grasp the basics and applications of clustering algorithms. So, let's get started. Before we dive into clustering algorithms, let's first understand what machine learning is all about. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make decisions based on data. It's like teaching computers to learn from experience, similar to how humans do. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Today, we'll focus on unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we train our models on data without predefined labels. The goal is to identify patterns and structures in the data. Clustering is one of the primary techniques used in unsupervised learning. Clustering is a technique used to group similar data points together. Imagine you have mixed fruits, and you want to sort them into groups like apples, oranges, and bananas. Clustering algorithms help us do this automatically by finding patterns and similarities in the data. K-means clustering is one of the simplest and most widely used clustering algorithms. It partitions the dataset into K-clusters, where each data point belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean. Imagine you have a dataset of customers with their annual income and spending score. K means groups these customers into segments like high-income high spenders, low-income low spenders, and so on. The algorithm iteratively assigns data points to clusters and recalculates the centroids until the assignments stabilize. Hierarchical clustering builds a tree-like structure of the data points called a dendrogram. This method doesn't require the number of clusters to be specified beforehand. Hierarchical clustering starts by treating each data point as a single cluster, and then merges the closest pairs of clusters step by step until all points are in a single cluster. You can then cut the tree at the desired level to form clusters. This method is particularly useful when you want to see the hierarchy and relationships between clusters. DBSCAN, which stands for Density-Based Spatial Clustering of Applications with Noise, is a powerful clustering algorithm that can find clusters of arbitrary shapes and handle noise in the data. Imagine you're studying the distribution of stars in a galaxy. Some stars form dense clusters, while others are isolated. DBSCAN groups together points that are closely packed together and marks points that are in low-density regions as outliers. This makes it great for discovering clusters in spatial data and identifying noise. Mean shift clustering is a non-parametric algorithm that does not require specifying the number of clusters in advance. It works by shifting data points towards the mode in the feature space. Think of it as a way to find the peaks of a density function given a set of data points. Mean shift can help you find the densest areas, indicating popular coffee shop hubs. Gaussian mixture models, or GMM, assume that the data is generated from a mixture of several Gaussian distributions with unknown parameters. It uses the expectation maximization, or EM, algorithm to find the parameters that best fit the data. Imagine you have a data set of different types of wines, where each type has a different distribution of features like acidity and sweetness. GMM can model the data as a mixture of Gaussian distributions, where each distribution represents a different type of wine. This helps in identifying and clustering the wines based on their features. Clustering algorithms are used in various applications. 1. Customer segmentation, grouping customers based on purchasing behavior. 2. Image segmentation, dividing an image into regions. 3. Anomaly detection, identifying unusual patterns in data. 4. Genomics, grouping genes with similar expression patterns. These are the key considerations while building the predictive models specifically using unsupervised learning clustering technique. 1. Choosing the right algorithm. Different algorithms work better for different types of data and problems. 2. Parameter tuning algorithms like K-means require choosing the number of clusters. 3. Scalability. Some algorithms may not scale well with very large datasets. 4. Interpretability. Understanding and explaining the clusters can be important for actionable insights. That's it for today's exploration of clustering algorithms in machine learning. I hope you found this video insightful and now have a better understanding of how these algorithms work and where they can be applied. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.